Okay, welcome to Rick's Corner. I have Ticia with me again today, who's been on in the past. And she has a multitude of talents and professionalism, and I'm going to let her describe what it is she actually does, because there's some things here about skin that I think are really important to all you guys out there, because bodybuilding is an art. It's sculpting the body, and what covers your body but skin. And skin has to look good. If your skin looks like crap, you'll look like crap. It's like having a custom car with bad paint, right? So Ticia, tell them what it is you actually do.
Okay, well, I'm an esthetician. I've been doing skincare for about 10 years. Been doing massage for about 13 years, which also encompasses skin and health. And I recently became certified as an herbal nutrition practitioner, so really getting into the herbs and vitamins and supplements to support the skin and the health. But what I do for the skincare company, My Shell, is I'm a natural beauty advisor. So I analyze people's skin, and then I prescribe the products that would be most beneficial for their skin type.
So basically, you can make me more beautiful than I am.
That would be difficult.
I agree with you on that one.
But I can definitely tell you what you might not know about your skin.
Let me just say that my market, my viewers out there, all you guys, I mean, I have women, but the market I have really are guys anywhere between the ages of 20 to 60.
Yeah.
So I got a huge market, and a lot of these guys a lot of people write to me for advice on how to train, what do I eat, you know, and with your herbal nutrition and all that, I mean, that's another thing we're going to get to at some point too. But everything comes through the skin, and if you don't take care of yourself and your skin is bad, you're going to look lousy. We know this. Too much sun damage. I have skin cancer as it is now, 15 years. I got to take care of it. I get older, I get wrinkles, you know, things start to sag. And you want to change that. You want to reverse that process, am I right?
And there's a lot of prevention that you can take part in as early as you can. 20s, doesn't matter.
The earlier you start, the better off you are.
Supporting the eye cream, doing a lot of exfoliation, doing masks, putting nutrients and antioxidants back into the skin. Because we have free radicals from pollution, from stress, from nicotine, alcohol, caffeine. All these things are robbing oxygen out of the blood, and so the skin is suffering. The skin is starving for hydration.
There's the free radicals. Are there any radicals that you pay for? Or are they always free? No, I guess they're always free.
They're free, but you don't want them. You want to kick them out. So as many antioxidants as we can get, neutralizing the free radicals so that our cells are doing what they're supposed to do, which is regenerating and keeping our skin young, fighting the sun damage and ultraviolet radiation, stress, the dehydration, you know, I mean, we have to support.
Right, and we're taking care of the inside, now we got to do the outside. And
it makes sense, right?
Well, it makes perfect sense.
We eat organic, we do. Oh, one thing I want to say too, for guys, they're all, well, the really strict bodybuilders that are always watching their diet, sometimes they're lacking stuff in their diet that the skin needs.
Absolutely.
So the skin is going to be dull, lifeless. So if you're not really, you know, educated, if you're not educated on what the skin needs, you're not getting it in your supplements, you're not getting it in your skincare, your skin is going to be dull. It's lackluster. It's not going to have a glow. The tone is not going to be even. The pores are not going to be refined. You'll have dead skin on the surface. All this stuff.
Well, we know there's a lot of stuff in the air, especially in Los Angeles, and probably all over the world. But I just put a new cover on my ring, and it's plastic. Within about 5 days, it'll have some sort of sediment on it from the air that eats into it, and grit, and there's an oil, and all this stuff settles on our skin when we're out in public. And we don't realize
Even when you sleep at night, just on your pillow.
Well,
Yeah, anywhere.
Anywhere. It just comes in and it settles on you.
And bacteria. You know, when I analyze people's skin, they don't have bacteria. Well, I'll ask a guy, what do you wash your face with? Water.
Oh, no, I use Ajax.
Yeah. Rinsing your face with water is not washing your face, guys.
No,
I hate to tell you.
No. And you're going to tell us what to do.
Yes.
All right, so what do we have here?
For guys. Well, what we wanted to propose to you is like kind of a 30-day challenge for you to use some products with My Shell Dermaceuticals natural skincare line. You use it for 30 days and just like once a week or something, check in and see what you notice with your skin. But we're going to have you exfoliating, doing some mud masks, serums.
You got to sleep with that stuff on?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's like 10-15 minutes. But masks, your serums, which is just really deep penetrating antioxidants, peptides, stem cells, vitamin C, vitamin A, the stuff that really regenerates that cellular production and makes your skin glow, makes you more youthful. Moisturizers, sunscreens, eye creams, things that guys might consider feminine, but how do you want to look? like at your age, you look great. You've taken care of yourself.
Yes.
Somebody that hasn't eaten well, somebody that hasn't trained, that doesn't know anything about sun damage and skin cancer,
Right.
their skin is getting broken down every day. After 10, 15 minutes in the sun,
Oh, absolutely.
you're breaking, your vitamin D stops being produced, you're getting ultraviolet radiation, the UVA, UVB, like you're a mess.
Well, you
So-
can't see this, but we have an assortment of little
We have a little
things
table
A
here.
little table.
Yes.
And am I going to use all those things?
You're not going to use them all in the same day,
Okay.
but basically, probably what I would get you on is a basic cleanser, like the fruit enzyme cleanser, alpha hydroxy acids.
And you can use this in the shower when you...
Yeah,
okay.
and that's going to help get rid of the dead skin. That, I mean, I can look and I can just see what we get, a layer of dead skin
Wow.
covering the face. I like to call it disincrustation in my
Oh,
profession,
God. I've got
but
that, disincrustation.
we're gonna eliminate that.
Okay.
And we want to do it in a gentle way, because I can see just looking at you, there's a lot of redness. Well, we know there's a lot of sun damage.
Yeah.
So we also want to support that skin that's kind of been broken down. So we want to really hydrate with our masks and our hydrating, nourishing, maybe a deep repair cream, something that's got a lot of antioxidants
Okay.
and things from nature.
All right.
You know, the
So
body
we're
responds.
going to clean with this one.
We're going to clean. And then for you, and probably for most guys, I would do a scrub. This is a fruit enzyme scrub. You can feel the texture. It's not abrasive, like some scrubs.
So yeah, I feel a little bit of grit in there.
Yeah, but it's not abrasive.
No.
It's
and
definitely...
let me ask you a question, because I've heard you're not supposed to scrub too often.
No, yeah. Every other day,
Okay.
yeah.
That
And I
cleans
mean,
in
it's
the pores.
very
and-
lightly scented, but just smells like fruit.
Yeah.
I don't think most guys would mind that. What do you think?
No.
Not bad?
No, I like
I
smells.
mean, it just smells like fruit.
Listen, this doesn't bother me, my masculinity at all.
Great.
I'm good about doing this and getting pedicures and all that.
Good.
Because we have to look our best, and nothing's really feminine or masculine at this point. This is something about taking care of your body.
And girls care.
course they do.
Don't make any mistake, guys.
Right.
Like, we're not just looking at your muscles. Muscles are awesome, but we're looking at your skin and trying to,
Exactly.
you know, we want to relate to you and know that you care about your
Okay, so we
your
have a
face.
cleanser and we have a scrub.
We have a cleanser, so that's AM and PM. Scrub is going to be every other day.
Okay.
And, you know, we don't want to scrub like we're scrubbing the shower or
No.
dishes.
Gently.
It's very gently in circles, you know.
Yeah.
And for people that are concerned about wrinkles and gravity and aging, you want to go up, never pull down on the face and yank down.
Yes.
We're going up and supporting that, you
Well,
know,
going
delicate
down
area.
and pulling and even rubbing your eyes
Yeah.
stretches your skin out
Very
and it gives you
bad.
bags and wrinkles.
Very bad.
I know that. I
Yes.
don't touch my eyes.
So we do have 2 different eye creams,
Okay.
or one's a gel actually. So Magnolia Fresh Eyes, that's for people that suffer from dark circles under the eyes,
Mm-hmm.
maybe water retention, stuff like that. It's got an icerol peptide in it, and the Magnolia really helps to support the dark circles. For people that are more concerned with wrinkles, we've got this fabulous eye cream that is fabulous,
And what's it
as
do?
it says. Well, it's going to support all that delicate tissue, hydrate, nourish, support.
Does it actually eliminate the wrinkles or just prevent them?
No, I mean, I'd be lying if I said we're going to, you know,
Yeah.
take away your wrinkles. But there is a decrease in the depth.
Okay, there's a difference
Of the
now
wrinkles.
between men and women when it
We're
comes
not
to
going to
wrinkles.
take your wrinkles away,
But
but
there's a difference.
decrease the depth.
I always said when I was a kid, when I get older, I want to look like Clint Eastwood and Charles Bronson. They
Oh,
were
yeah.
wrinkled, but they
Yeah.
had that look.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that in men. You guys
Yeah,
don't
for
worry
sure.
about that. But you still need to take care of your skin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know, I mean, when men get older, they want to look like Sean Connery. And I've always said when women get older, they also look like Sean Connery, if they don't take care of themselves.
Oh, my gosh. What is
If they
happening
don't
right
take care of
now?
themselves.
If they don't take care. Right.
Okay. But with this, it's a different story.
Don't make me mad right
Okay.
now. So we definitely are going to exfoliate every other day. We're going to cleanse twice a day.
Okay.
And I don't have a toner in my kit, but we definitely want to tone. It restores the pH balance, helps to close the pores back up, and it's going to hydrate and nourish. And if you're using a serum, which I definitely want you to using a serum, it pushes it deep into the surface.
Okay,
So
when is this
these-
used?
It's kind of counterculture to what we're told. We're told to tone and then put all of our stuff on.
Okay.
Well, what we suggest is that you're going to put your serum on and then spray your toner on, and that's just going to push it deep into that living tissue.
So
These are bioactive, so they're working with that living tissue to regenerate.
So this is basically the last thing that you do. It's the last step of the process.
Well, no, you're going to want to put a moisturizer over your serum to lock it in,
and
to protect the skin.
Okay, I get that.
And also it's going to have your sunscreen in it.
Because I was told years ago that once you shower, first of all, you take a hot shower, take a cold shower, close your pores.
Yep.
And then you put your lotions on, which lock in the moisture after you've showered. That's the best time.
Yeah. Well, you want to put your serum, then you're going to spray a toner, and then your moisturizer to lock it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand that.
So specifically what I want to get you on is the Perfect C serum. It's 17% L-ascorbic acid. And what that's going to do for you is a ton. It's going to reduce...
I can imagine how good I'll look.
It's going to reduce redness and inflammation. It's going to help support the collagen and elastin. And it's also going to help with any kind of hyperpigmentation from the sun damage.
Let me ask you a question about that, since you're on that subject. And I do get red and I do get pink. The top of my head, because I shave, my head takes a beating.
Right.
Is it going to help that too?
Yes. So put it on your head. I put it on my chest as well, because I've had a lot of sun damage on my chest area.
All right.
So it also has a peptide or a plant stem cell in it, which protects from future ultraviolet radiation.
All right.
So this is like sun damage prevention and repair all in one. And I've seen people after using it 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 6 months, like you have to see it to believe it. Like it sounds like I'm just,
I'm willing to try this.
But my skin honestly has never felt better, and for the most part, I don't even need makeup anymore.
Yeah, I know the other day you had no makeup on at all.
I had no makeup.
And you look good.
We went to coffee.
Yeah, you look good.
Yeah, I feel good.
Your skin is really nice.
I mean, I'm going to be 44. I'm not a kid. I have kids in college.
Yeah.
And
well, you're older than me.
I know. We all can't drink from the fountain of youth. And we all
that's
can't
right outside my door there.
Perpetually 21, you know. But sunscreen, imperative. But
yes, and that is important.
Imperative. And you want to use a mineral base. Please don't use any, drugstore.
Cheap stuff.
No.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Because, I mean, anything that you put on your skin is going into your bloodstream. Mm-hmm. Think about that.
Yeah, I know.
So we're already in contact with so much junk.
Yes.
So everything that we can do to protect.
Okay.
And for bodybuilders like you, there's a sunless tanner. So if you want to be tan without getting the ultraviolet damage, my shell has a sunless.
Let me ask you, there's a lot of things out on the market for bodybuilders. When they go to a contest, they do the spray tan, they do the tanning cream. They have an injection now. They put in 5 IUs every other day, which actually makes you black within 20 days. I mean, I've seen people, they turn as black as this chair.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious. And
just drink carrot juice.
Yeah, I mean, this is like real extreme. But
carrot juice has the beta-carotene.
No, I know that,
give you like a nice glow naturally.
It's a tanning injection. I mean, this is extreme for a lot of bodybuilders. They're doing it now.
I don't know about
You
that.
see them on stage and they're black. That's what they're taking.
Oh my gosh.
But on this,
just drink carrot juice.
Yeah, or beet juice too.
Yeah.
The tanning, this tanner, you have to get it on evenly.
Yes.
So you got to be careful where you don't leave spots and all.
So you want to do like a full body scrub.
Right.
Get really dry. Make sure you're completely
dry.
Everything's
receptive.
Everything's dry, and then just get it evenly on your hands. And I mean, it's a no-brainer, but it might take a couple times to get it.
No, I understand that, but in the old days, you did that. Your hands turn orange.
Yeah.
So you got to wash them.
Those are the days gone by.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now, where can we find all this?
Those are the good old days. Remember that. Whole Foods, Vitamin Cottage, Vitamin Shop, online, of course, My Shell Dermaceuticals, online.
Right. And it's spelled MYCHELLE.
#1 natural beauty skincare line.
I like this idea a lot.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the 30-day
And you're going to
trial.
do the 30-day challenge.
You people, watch out for me in 30 days. I'm going to be beyond where I am right now.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you won't even be able to
recognize him.
Yeah,
he might even grow hair. I don't know.
No, I won't grow hair. But I'll go back 10 years in my youth. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, this is great stuff.
So I'm enthused.
Hey.
Are you?
Oh my God, for
All
sure.
Right. So
I'm
going to put the website up because I think we should put that up so you guys can at least see where it's at. And is there anything else we need to say about this?
I want to tell people if they have questions, please feel free to email me. Ticia4beauty@gmail.com, and you can, if you want to put an insert or something, and my website, TiciaLea.com.
Spell it.
TICIALEA.com, TiciaLea.com.
Okay.
You'll find out a lot about skin, and I also have a beauty column on Examiner.com. It's also under Ticia Lea.
Oh, that's right. We talked about that.
Yeah, I love writing about this stuff. I love My Shell. I love Pangea. A Cure is great. Dr. Hauschka, Evan Healy, you know, I don't buy stuff from department stores anymore or the drugstore.
Yeah,
like
some of
I'm
it's so commercial.
sticking with,
Yeah.
all natural. Read your ingredients. Like if you can't pronounce it, it's probably a synthetic.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it all comes from nature. You know the DNA is going to be recognized and recepted by
All right,
your cells.
let me just say one thing. This is for you guys out there. This is not a feminine way of life. This is a way of life we all have to have. And if I can do it at my age, you can certainly do it at your age. Take care of your skin.
It's about health.
It's your skin that covers your muscle, it covers your body, it
Yeah.
takes care of it. It's about health. It makes you look good, it makes you feel good. And I'm not opposed to doing this at all. I mean,
Great.
to me, this is a very important part of my life. And I've been doing it up till now with different products, but I think these products might be exactly what I want. So I'll put that website up, and I really appreciate you bringing this on.
Thank you so much.
I have to do a little plug for those. We're going to talk about our skin, but let's talk about our stomach, because I went to a restaurant the other night called Pierre Garden in Glendale. And we did a little celebrity dinner, and the place was phenomenal. And I want you guys to try it if you're out in California, Los Angeles. It's called Pierre Garden. It's in Glendale, California. It's on the corner of Maryland and Wilson, right off of Brand Boulevard. And they're good people, and I had the best steak I probably have ever had, and I'm going back. So
Yum.
Pierre Gardens. It's unbelievable, and I'm
Nice.
anxious to try it again. Well, thank you, Ticia.
Thank you, Rick.
I'm very excited about this, and you guys stay tuned for more Rick's Corners. We'll bring more to you, and we'll talk about vitamins and nutrients and herbs and all that kind of stuff as well with her, because she seems to know it a lot better than I do. But I'm going to listen to her from now on. It's the first time I've ever actually listened to a woman. See what you did to me?
I feel special.
Thanks for watching Rick's Corners.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Take care.